Who are you? I'm BeerDrankShawty. And I'm pissed off. The audio recording device on my no energy, no battery power in that. Can't figure out the AI servo autofocus on this. Just review the damn burger. Today I will be reviewing Wendy's new pulled pork. Looks rather delectable, though it's cold because I've been here 15 minutes trying to fucking. There we go. See this? It's a sandwich, man. Fuck it. No, I'm not focused. This is how competitive eaters eat. Got the coleslaw, spicy addition, meat stacked up. This sandwich is good. On a scale from 0 to 5, I give it a 4.